I finally found the tool that I've been searching for years, and I want to share it with you today. It's called Repurpose.io, and it does exactly what I've always needed.
This is a form of power that our world has not yet seen.
Nowadays, there's so many different platforms and screens and ways to publish your content, but keeping up with it all and managing each of them individually is a nightmare. Each one requires its own amount of attention and detail and fine-tuning, and a lot of it is manual work doing the same thing over and over and over again. If you have a short and you want to upload it to TikTok, and then you have the same short and you want to publish on Instagram Reels, and then you have the same short you want to put on YouTube Shorts, it's tedious work that's repetitive and redundant and kind of a waste of time. But each of these platforms have their own audiences with their own algorithms, and there's opportunity across all of them. That's not to mention Facebook and X or any other place you want to publish video. There are some tools that allow you to schedule posts out, but my favorite tool that I've found so far is Repurpose. The way this works is you publish in one spot, and based on that one video, it will take it and publish it everywhere else. You can set a few different rules and restrictions, and you can even change and add subtitles to the content in the process if you want. But this basically means you only have to work and do it the one time for it to go everywhere. Now, is this the best solution? Well, probably not. It would be best to spend your time on each individual platform, but a lot of us don't have time for that. Distribution and syndication is an entire job unto itself, and a lot of influencers and content creators just can't keep up. So most people tend to pick the one platform and stay there because all the others seem like, why even bother? But with something like Repurpose, it makes this easy. You can focus on the platform that you like to use and where you want to publish content, and then you can be everywhere else organically. This works by connecting your accounts on the back end, so it has full access to that original video. This isn't a watermarked, copy and paste, embed, or anything like that. It's native video on every single platform. This works so well right now, I'm actually scared it's gonna get nerfed by some of these platforms, but so far I am beyond impressed. This is better than any social media scheduler or manager I've ever found. Because it does the most valuable thing, it saves me time. I can do all that tedious work once and never have to worry about it again. And it all happens automatically.
Thank you!
Of course, if you want more fine-tuned custom control per platform, this probably isn't the app for you. But if you're like me and you just want to save yourself the headache of having to manage all these different places, this is the perfect tool because it does what I've always wanted and dreamed. Every platform has their own mechanisms and formats and restrictions and limitations. It's really quite annoying, actually. What is the difference between a TikTok and Instagram Reel and a YouTube Short? There really isn't one other than the arbitrary limitations they impose. So as with everything I do, I like to find the ways to make it efficient, to streamline and simplify. So I'll put a link down in the description. Now, it is an affiliate link because they do have an affiliate program, but I wouldn't be talking about it if I didn't actually love the thing. It's so easy and so powerful. I can't even really describe it. You just have to try it for yourself. But when you realize the potential of this kind of tool, it makes you wonder why there aren't more of them. There's plenty of social media managers and publishing assistants, but they still require so much manual input. I'm kind of the belief of once I've made a video, publishing should be the easy part. And thankfully, with Repurpose.io, it makes it as easy as I could ever want. And I hope it continues to get better with more functionality added over time. The best part is that it's not even all that expensive. The monthly cost well pays for itself just in terms of hours saved and lifting that mental load of having to remember to publish on yet again another new platform that's starting to trend. So if you want that same level of control and peace of mind, check it out. I really, really recommend it. I don't think you'll be disappointed. But if you are, let me know why. I'd love to hear it in the comments down below.